side by side of the original RISELITE and the new High Back. I'm gonna get my shadow in there, but
comfy.
this is the TCEK high back chair, very similar to the high rise that I reviewed a few months ago. It weighs a little bit more. I believe it's about 6 pounds instead of 5. It's I believe the height is about the same, like 15 and a half to 18, and for the two levels. On the side it says this can handle 350 pounds instead of the 230 with the other chair. But anyways, I definitely like this one better. It's definitely more comfortable. I could probably lounge in here all day long. It's pretty stout. So as with the other chairs, perfect chair for overlanding. It doesn't take much room. It's a little bit bigger than the other chair when it's closed up, but it has a nice bag. Has a pocket. This one has a little pillow back here. It's a good chair if space is an issue in your vehicle. It's a lot of chair for the package that it's in, and like I said, it's very comfortable. I fully recommend this chair. Just thought I'd come out here and enjoy the nice winter day.